So good afternoon, ma'am. We have Nidhi ma'am from INIFD, Kothur, Pune, and she is HOD of Interior Design. So, ma'am, we would like to know your thoughts on different aspects from your college and from your department. We'd like to your thoughts on how you are leading interior design course and what are your offerings and how you are making better educational quality at your campus for students. So, ma'am, moving forward, my first question will be: what are the key factors that make the interior design program the best for the students to opt for?
Well, our entire curriculum, we have an annual curriculum, but we have divided it into semester pattern,
Okay, ma'am.
because of which the students are able to focus on all the subjects. And it is nothing like a rat race. They are able to focus, they are able to study each and every subject in detail without a lot of pressure and burden because of many subjects in a year. So yes, the semester pattern definitely helps the students to perform better, learn better.
Great, ma'am. So, ma'am, it's 2 years program, right?
Yes.
Great, ma'am.
We have a 3-year program. 2 years is for the masters.
Sure, ma'am. Okay. Great,
Yes.
ma'am. So, ma'am, my next question will be: how do you plan to using the immense knowledge and experience that you have gained over the years in this interior design industry?
Well, we use our experience to help the children to we help them to form a bridge between the knowledge they gain in class
Okay, ma'am.
and the practical knowledge they will require to execute their designs on site. So we as faculty members who have gained a lot of experience, we help them to bridge that gap. And that is why they can perform better when they are actually working in the practical life.
Okay, okay, great, ma'am. Obviously, we need to bridge the gap between practical and theoretical knowledge. So, ma'am, can you share more about your experience with interior design?
Yes, yes, I have been in the designing field since 4 years and working in different capacities. Moreover, I've been in the teaching industry since 8 years.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
yes, I've been a passionate teacher and yeah.
Great, ma'am. Great. So you are in industry 8 years. Obviously, you have gained immense knowledge, and it will be great if you impart those knowledge to the students, and it will be beneficial for them, right, ma'am? So, ma'am, moving forward to the next question, ma'am, what are the some valuable insights into the interior design program that you are offering at your department?
Well, very nice question here, Rajan. Because at INFD, what we have something which is very exclusive is we have people of our fraternity. I will say rather high-profile people, high-profile designers coming up at our place, taking webinars with the students, conducting classes with them, and enlightening them about what all are the challenges that are going on in the market, what
Great,
all are the ways they can cope up with it. And yes, so
great,
this is
ma'am.
one thing our institute provides, that is connecting with the fraternity.
Right, right, ma'am. Obviously,
Yes.
it will help to get a real-time industrial knowledge, what's going on in industry, and that
True.
helps students a lot. So, ma'am, moving to the next question, how does program ensure that the students are being prepared for industry, like in best way? They are being
Well, okay. Well, we have integrated softwares in our curriculum, okay, which are the latest softwares for designing, which will ensure that all our students who will be stepping in future industry, they will be capable to perform any task that is required to do. We have AutoCAD, we have 3D Max, we have SketchUp, and various other softwares to ensure that the students are up to date with the latest technologies.
great, ma'am. So, ma'am, one more question will be like currently everyone is facing this pandemic, Corona, COVID.
Mhm.
So obviously at this time, students are not able to come to the campus and courses are being delivered online. So ma'am, could you please tell us how you are making it possible for students to deliver online?
Well, we have transferred our entire curriculum in such a way that it can be completely delivered on online platform. Okay.
Right.
Now we are using the Teams app. All right.
Great.
which enables us to record our lectures, which enables us to gives assignments, collect assignments all on the online mode via Teams app. And even the lectures that are recorded are made accessible to the students. Means if in case some students miss out on a lecture, they
Right.
can always go back and refer. So
That
yes, this is how we have made it.
Yeah, so obviously, ma'am, at the time of this COVID, obviously the meeting solutions are helping us a lot, and it's
Totally.
yeah, right. Great, ma'am. So we are moving to the next question, ma'am. Could you tell us about your industrial relation? How you tend to build industrial relation with corporates, and also other colleges, like colleges from outside India, or colleges bigger colleges like NIPT, which is national colleges of national importance. So how you are making a collaboration with them, and how those are helping your students?
Well, INIFD have collaborations with many other associations as well, and moreover, we making a connect with industry. We are not limited ourselves only with the colleges or only with inter-college system. We have also ensured that the students have connect with the members in the industry with which they will have to interact in future, like for that matter, we have various field trips, we have various market surveys, we have organized many interactions which will help them to build their communication skills, their rapport with the current fraternity, with the people they will have to talk to in future. Yes.
Great, ma'am. That's great. So,
Yes.
ma'am, moving to the next question, what are some key challenges you have faced while making this possible for the students, bringing new insights to your department, including new curriculum to your department? So, what are key challenges you face every day? Like,
Well, as a teacher, I will tell you one thing. There's always this challenge for a teacher to bring the best out of the students, like to make sure every student has the potential and we want our students to perform the best.
right,
So, the most challenging thing for all the teachers is that to make sure that every student performs to their best potential, because of which we make sure that all our teachers are passionate. They all are they all are the most efficient teachers to deliver the best.
right, ma'am. Obviously, ma'am, teachers are backbone of this country, and they are building the nation. And even this COVID, they are delivering the knowledge online. So that's a great social service from teachers. Great, ma'am. We are
Thank
moving
you.
to the next question. What are the types of project students get chance to work during their campus or during their course in your department?
Yes. Well, our students are getting placements in best of places like Asian Paints, Dulux, Brinton Carpets, and Maine Cuchet. And in various aspects, even students have started with their own projects. They have started with their own workshops. They've started with their own industry. Like one of our student, Shubham Patel, who's currently even the faculty member over here,
Great, ma'am.
and he has started with his own office, SV Designs. So yes, they are being placed at the best places where they can explore their potential to the maximum.
Right, ma'am. Right, ma'am. So that's a great to hear that you have a great industrial relation with companies, bigger companies like Pidilite, Asian Paints, and obviously, as a parent or students, when we invest in something, we want returns for that. And if we are getting better returns, nothing can be more
Totally.
valuable than that, right, ma'am? Thank you so much. So moving to the next question, ma'am. What are the
Totally.
benefits and career options after pursuing the interior design course?
Well, our students get an insight even on set designing, okay, which is really very rare in most of the institutes, I will say you. Set designing is trending so much because of all the web portal that we've started with, Netflix, and what I mean, all of these platforms needs set designing. So our students are capable to further have career aspects in set designing. They have in for 3D visualizing, they have in visual merchandising, in interior designing, as well as in site supervising. They have a large array to look forward to after they are educated from INA.
Right. So sky is not a limit. There are a lot of career choices they can go for, and obviously this industry is booming. So in future, people are more parents and students are coming to this particular industry because now they are shifting from engineering and medical to the other departments also. So that's great news for interior design.
Exactly. Now interior designing has not limited itself.
Right.
Now interior designing is no more limited to just a residential space or a commercial space. It has got down to set, it has got down to malls, to everything.
Right. That's why it's a huge growth opportunity for students and also industry both. So we are coming to the last question. What will be your suggestion, or what would you like to give message to students and parents or current youth who are aspiring a career in interior designing?
Well, to the current youth, I will say keep exploring, okay? Because curiosity is the only way you will learn the most. And persistence is something, is what I recommend to any success. For any success, persistence is the most important thing. Keep doing, keep exploring, keep learning, and you will be successful soon.
Great, ma'am. Great. Really exploring will help people to get more information, more knowledge, and obviously people become more mature. So that's a great message from your side. It was pleasure for us to have you on board, ma'am, and it was great learning
Thank
for
you
me
so much.
also because I'm not from interior designing background, but I get to know many things about this industry from you. So thank you so much, ma'am.